How to repair fuel injector cleaning machine. When the main power supply isn't coming in the fuel injector cleaning machine, check the fuse behind the machine. Is fuse okay or not? If fuse is working, then close it. Now check the front power switch. Check the transformer with multimeter. Transformer needs 12 volts to work properly. When purge or chemical not draining properly in the machine, check the solenoid valve. If magnet is working, then coil valve is working properly. Now check the bolt. Is there any dirt inside the bolt? Also check the rubber. Is it normal or swollen? Check the spring. If the it is contracted, then pull it upside and expand the spring. If everything is working properly, then close the solenoid valve and place it where it was already placed. If power supply is still not coming, then bring out the PCB card and check the relay. To check the relay from backside of PCB card, spark both points. After sparking the both points, the coil will be activated. If the coil is activated, it means the relay is damaged. Set the pressure of fuel cleaning injector. Check the chemical, it needs to be manual. After checking the chemical, check the meter, which needs to be 250-300. If pressure is still not up to the mark, then tighten the back button and then check the pressure again. How to set auto or manual. If you want to set on manual, switch off the machine. Then switch the button to manual and turn on the power. After turning on the power button, click to clean button. If you want to set on auto, first switch off the machine. Then switch the button to auto and turn on the power. After turning on the power button, click the clean button. When pressure is not up to the mark, just tilt the machine and check the chemical levels. If chemical levels are below minimum levels, then refill chemical. After filling, the chemical pressure should come back to the normal mark. When we have to change the chemical, if you see the chemical color being changed to a yellowish or darker color, then you should change the chemical. How to set RPM in the machine. If you want to increase the RPM level, just long press the plus button on the panel. To decrease RPM levels, long press minus button. When pump is not supplying the purge or chemical, first check the pump's fuse. If fuse is okay and still not supplying the chemical, then the pump is damaged. How to empty the chemical from machine. Remove the chemical supply pipes and put the pipes into a bucket or jar.